Introducing the Proto J6470 quarter-inch drive electronic torque tester, a reliable and accurate tool designed to meet the demands of professional and DIY enthusiasts alike. This electronic torque tester is part of the renowned Proto brand, known for its commitment to quality and durability. With a torque range of 5-50 inch-pounds, the Proto J6470 is suitable for a wide variety of applications, making it an indispensable tool for both light-duty and heavy-duty tasks. Equipped with advanced electronic sensors, this torque tester delivers precise and accurate measurements, ensuring that your fastening jobs are executed with utmost precision. The J6470 offers 3 different modes: peak, hold, and dial, to cater to various testing requirements. The peak mode displays the maximum torque value, while the hold mode freezes the reading for easy reference. The dial mode allows you to track the torque value in real time. The tester features a clear and backlit LCD screen, making it convenient to read the torque values even in dimly lit environments. Built to withstand rigorous use, the Proto J6470 is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring longevity and reliability in even the most demanding conditions. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Proto J6470 drive electronic torque tester. Its versatility, accuracy, and user-friendly features make it an essential tool for anyone seeking precise and reliable torque measurements. Invest in the Proto J6470 today and experience the difference that quality and precision can make in your projects.